Hello students, I am back here with the explanation of the exercises of the chapter verbs. Okay, so let us go to the explanation of exercise A. Exercise A, the heading says fill in the blanks with is, am, are, has, have, was or were. Okay, so they are supportive verbs or auxiliary verbs, what we call them. So we have to read the sentence. And we have to try to understand this sentence. What tense is this sentence speaking about? If the action is about a past, then we must use was or were. If it is about something that is in present, then we should use is, am, are, have, has. Okay, these any of these auxiliary verbs. So let us go by understanding through two solved examples. First one, I dash studying when my friend came home. I dash studying when my friend came home. Came home मतलब ये past की बात है, जब वो आया तो it was in past. So past के लिए we will use was or were. तो I के साथ we will be using I was. Okay, so I was studying when my friend came home. Okay, then let us go to the next one, that is the children dash playing in the park now. Now means it is present. Okay, so it is present, so we have to use out of this. Ab playing, if it is playing, we will be using is, am or are. The children is not correct. The children am is also not correct. The children are playing in the park now. Okay students, so you have to go through read the sentence and try to judge that is the sentence speaking about a present time or a past time. Okay, in understanding verb we had discussed that the verb tells about the tenses, so we have to guess which tense is the sentence speaking about. Accordingly we have to use the supportive verb or the auxiliary verbs. Okay students, now let us go to the next exercise. Exercise B, underline the objects in these sentences. We had discussed that is to find object we have to use the question. We have to ask a question to the verb. We have to ask the question to the verb. The questions are what or whom. What or whom. So here by asking what or whom we can find the objects. Now underline the sentence is the man drove his truck. The man drove his truck. Here the verb is drove, drive kiya. ठीक है, past tense of drive is drove. So the man drove what? The answer is his truck. Okay, so here we are getting the answer for what. So the object is his truck. Okay students, look at the next example. Mahesh loves cricket. Okay, the verb is loves. Mahesh loves what? Cricket. Okay, so we are getting the answer for what here also. What is the answer? Cricket. So that is the object. Okay students, so this is how you have to solve. You have to read the sentence till the verb, then you have to put up the question what. If you are getting the answer of what, that is the object. If you are not getting the answer of what, ask another question, whom. If you are not getting the answer for whom also, whom, then there is no object. But if you are getting the answer for whom, then that is the object. Okay students, now let us go to the next exercise. Exercise C. The heading says underline the verbs in these sentences and write T for transitive verbs and I for intransitive verbs. Now we had discussed in the chapter explanation that if we are getting an object that in a sentence, then it is a transitive verb, and if you are not getting an object, then it is intransitive verb. So उसी तरह से हमको ये भी find करना है. Now Nina laughed. The sentence is Nina laughed. The action word or the verb is laughed. We'll read till the verb and then ask the question what or whom. Nina laughed what? No answer. Chalo, next question. Whom? Nina laughed whom? No answer. We did not get answer for what or whom, both. So the sentence is intransitive. There is no object, so the sentence is intransitive. So that is why we put a I. Okay. Now let us solve one more example in this way. Mohan keeps his things neatly. Okay, Mohan keeps his things neatly. In this, what is the verb? Keeps. Okay, the verb is keeps. Let us read the sentence till keeps. Mohan keeps what? His things. The answer for what is his things. Mohan keeps what? His things. Okay, so we are getting an answer for what? That means we have an object. What is the object? His things. So there is an object, so the verb is transitive. Okay, the previous sentence there was no verb, there was no object, so it is intransitive. In this sentence there is a object, so the sentence is transitive. Okay students, now let us go to the next one, exercise D. I'll read the heading. Add a complement or an incomplete word to complete each sentence. Now for intransitive sentences or some incomplete verbs, we have to add a complement. Okay, so the night became dash. The night became, you can put it many options. Night became humid, the night became cold, the night became frightening, the night became silent. Okay, there can be many things. I hope put just humid and cold, you can write in your own words, but the description should be very much matching to the rest beginning part of the sentence. Okay, then look at the next one. The children were dash. So the children were playing, children were singing, the children were dancing. You can put many other options. Okay students, so this is how you have to solve this exercise. Okay, now this you have to solve all these 4 exercises and I'll be sending you the answers of all the exercise very soon. Okay students, have a very healthy life, take care of yourself and obey your parents, do your studies, have a routine for yourself every day and follow the routine. Okay students, bye. Thank you everybody.